Jimmy here from Jimmy's Place, and welcome to the Season 2 finale of my unboxing series. My last episode was the Tailnet TV box, which blew up. I'm really not sure what's so special about a box from Tailnet, but it's currently my second most viewed video of all time, so thank you very much. But to end Season 2's unboxing series, I have something special. So let's unbox, shall we? Alright, this is the box. I got my knife, actually scissors, I don't think I need them, but alright. Alright. Goodbye, box. Alright, I'll show you what this is. Maybe some people remember this, but this is an iPod Touch, or in short, iPod. This is a very special device to me. This is the brand new 7th generation iPod Touch with 256 GB storage. This is the most maxed out iPod there is. You would say, why would you buy an iPod if you have the iPhone XS Max? It's not about why I want to use it, it's just why I want to buy it. You see, the iPod is dying. Smartphones are taking over and barely anyone cares anymore. I have an aunt who has an iPod Touch, and me. Barely anyone I know even knows what an iPod is. So, but I care. So, to end the iPod era, and this is also going to be the last iPod, that's for sure, mark my words, I want to make this a Season 2 finale unboxing. So let's unbox it. Designed by Apple in California. Paperwork. Apple stickers. Different. Alright. Inside the box we have a lightning cable. Getting tired of all these cables, but yeah. Basic cable. You know what it is by now. Also in the box, a relic from the past. These are the Apple AirPods. The wired versions with a headphone jack in the box. Every iPhone has a lightning connector, the iPod has a headphone jack connector. And the iPod doesn't have the control. So yeah, these are literally iPod headphones. You cannot buy them separately. Alright, that's basically it in the box. Alright. And now this thing. You grab the sticker part and do it like this. Okay, that's weird. I expected a little more resistance, but alright. Apple is all about environment-friendly stuff. Apple, this is not environment-friendly stuff. This is plastic. Why is this plastic in 2019? This is the new iPod Touch, 7th generation. And to make sure, I asked to write down 7th generation. So people know this is the most powerful iPod in history. Alright, this is my unboxing. And this is my unboxing of the iPod Touch 7th generation. I'm gonna keep using this for a very long time, even after it got discontinued, because I'm stubborn. I will use this as the last iPod. Mark my words, I'm gonna say it again. This is the last iPod ever. This is Jamie from Jamie's Place. I hope you enjoyed season 2 of my unboxing series. Please like and share and watch the videos, because the most popular series are going to season 3. But with the success of the Tailend TV box from last episode, I'm pretty sure the unboxings are going to season 3. Well, Jamie from Jamie's Place signing out.